Hi everyone, I'm Kenichi Nagayoshi, the CEO of Zero Bank Design Factory and Minna Bank from Japan. I'm very happy to be back to Finovate. In 2016, I talked about Neobank application as part of iBank marketing of Fukuoka Financial Group. We are also the subsidiary Fukuoka Financial Group, one of Japan's largest regional financial institutions. This time, I came back with a banking system for digital banks. We jointly built with Accenture. Zero Bank Design Factory provides a next-generation banking system for Minna banks, which targets the younger generation. A bank can build a frictionless UX to easily manage money by utilizing our system, interactive functions to nurture money habits, hyper-personalized offerings tailored to individual analytics, community functions to connect with fellows. We are so excited to introduce this system to the world. Today, I brought my colleague who will talk about it. Thank you. Now, Ms. Izumi-san, please give us a demonstration.
Okay, so here start our demonstration. First, we will have to apologize as we had a slight trouble connecting to our live bank system, as the region is in Japan, but we have a few demos that we have on hand instead. I think this will explain the features of our system. So this one is the white-labeled mobile application for customer use. The demo I'm showing here is for account opening. After a few instructions, the customer just inserts his personal information page by page, just a name, his phone number, and a few personal details. As Nagayoshi-san presented, it's designed to be frictionless with minimum input from the customer, but the UI is very interactive. Every piece of information and transaction can be complete with literally just one flick. After the customer inserts, which only takes 8 minutes including KYC, the information goes directly to a built-in backend system for banking operational use, which I will show next. So now the backend system looks like this. This is the feature showing the customer KYC ID, which has just been put in through the account opening process. The banker system mainly consists of a customer dashboard. Once you insert the customer key, like you do here, and search, so all customer information, including personal data, eKYC information, all transaction history and interaction and marketing history all appears on one screen, so the banker can easily manage his client. The second demo I'm showing is the loan application and repayment. As you can see, the customer just inserts the amount and he wants to borrow. And instantly the money is booked to his account. Repayment is done with drag and drop. Also insert the amount and instantly the repayment will be done. The loan details link to the banker operation system as well. The amount, next repayment due, and balance is shown in the system. It also pops out overdue alerts and marketing insights so the banker can accordingly contact the client. So it is pretty hard to see on the screen, but on the left-hand side, there's a menu covering all the bank products that we have, including account opening and management, deposit, savings, money transfer, personal loan, and a virtual debit card as well. The last demo is about the customer information going to our cloud data warehouse. It does AI-based customer analytics on a financial and non-financial information, either automatically or by popping insights through business intelligence tools. The banker can do personalized marketing anytime he wants by sending notifications to the client. What is shown in the demo is Japanese, but we have everything in English. Our system is called Amica. It is currently on GCP, but can be put on multi-cloud. We have over 700 microservices that can be taken apart, and you can choose whatever function to combine to become a unique system. We just demoed the banker functions, but basically everything back office is automated. In our Japan bank, there are only a dozen bankers to support over 500,000 customers. The system can also connect with the outside to provide banking as a service. The system has been live in Japan since 2021. It consists of not only the general ledger, but as we demoed, it is a full package of a white-labeled front-end application, the banker operation system, middle layers, and outer connection functions as well. We're giving out our source code, the development framework, and the technology stack as an accelerator. The system can go live within several months from zero. So if anyone who wants to build a digital bank, please do not hesitate to contact us. I hope you liked our presentation. Thank you.